During that period, saya menganggur selama 8 bulan lah. So, period yang agak sakit lah untuk orang yang dah ada degree Sebelum ni, saya pernah join di seminar Infak Oil and Gas Meta dari Tuan Fazrul Azrin. And Alhamdulillah sekarang bekerja di dalam industri oil and gas selama 2 tahun. Kalau betul-betul fokus, insyaAllah you can also be part of the industry lah. Nama saya Muhammad Izzat, berumur 29 tahun, dari Kuantan, Pahang, and degree in Chemical Engineering with Environment. Sekarang saya berkhidmat sebagai jurutera utility di company oil and gas di selatan tanah air. Lepas intern tu ada gap around 8 bulan lah. Struggle period juga untuk job hunting. Tapi Alhamdulillah lah, sekarang lah bekerja. Sebelum ni saya pernah join di seminar Infak dari Tuan Fazrul Azrin. Fazrul ni sebab dia boleh cakap influencer lah dalam bidang oil and gas Dan macam I came across that program and it's free. So untuk orang yang job hunting macam saya, I'm looking forward for it lah. Then throughout that program, saya banyak belajar input yang baru lah, such as how to improve your value. Dan Fazrul ada mention about getting cert, getting qualification, just like this course of Power BI lah. It can improve our value, especially in oil and gas industry. During that period, saya menganggur selama 8 bulan lah. So, period yang agak sakit lah untuk orang yang dah ada degree And Alhamdulillah sekarang bekerja di dalam industri oil and gas selama 2 tahun. Tuan Fazrul ada cakap lah, never stop learning. I think that point really impacted my life. And sampai sekarang, and saya stay pegang that word lah. So from that seminar Infak, Tuan Fazrul ada share about oil and gas industry secara general. And it includes example of subcon and maincon lah, especially for new graduates. Instead of aiming for the client, the big client, just for a langkah kanan, we can also opted for subcon punya company lah. So tak kisah apa baju kuning ke, baju apa ke, yang penting kita masuk dulu industri tu. Dan kalau ada rezeki, insyaAllah boleh merasa duduk kat company client juga. Melalui program tu, I gain some valuable insight juga. Kalau kawan saya tanya the tips and trick, saya pun akan share point yang dikongsi oleh Tuan Fazrul juga untuk kawan saya improve his or her chance of getting job in oil and gas industry. To be honest, I believe Oil and Gas Meta is one of the leading training provider lah, sebab dia punya module pun focuses on oil and gas industry. And I will recommend lah it to my friend yang nak join this industry lah. Semua orang pandai Excel, so apa yang passion yang kau? So for me, my initiative is by taking this Power BI course lah. So I want to be proficient in Power BI, so I can say to my manager that I'm also an asset to this company by joining this Power BI program by Oil and Gas Meta. Sebab I have some comparison lah, because in the company that I'm working right now, dia pun ada in-house training, cumanya terlalu rigid dia punya format and banyak theoretical notes. So for me, saya bukan jenis yang theoretical guy, so I need some application. So Oil and Gas Meta ni, on other hand, dia focuses on application, maknanya dia ajar terus kita apply benda tu. So the chances nak lupa that skill is very low lah compared to yang banyak sentuh on theory ni lah. Kita fokus on harga Be honest, saya macam terkejut tengok harga yang ditawarkan Oil and Gas Meta. Contoh macam Power BI ni, saya ada buat comparison juga. Ada training provider ni, dia give me RM3,600 compared to Oil and Gas Meta lah. The price difference is very huge lah. The module wise, I think more or less the same lah, compare between two. So if you are engineer, obviously you will choose less cost punya option. I believe quality wise sama lah dengan yang company punya in-house training tu lah. Oil and Gas Meta, kalau join physical, cikgu tu dia boleh fokus on you, ajar you, guide you. I think that's the advantage lah. Compare in-house training company, satu classroom at least 20%. That's very huge lah. But you nak tanya soalan pun macam you takut-takut lah. Okay, for me, Oil and Gas team ni macam a group of people yang nak bridge the gap antara graduate yang berminat menceburi bidang oil and gas untuk increase dia punya chance. Good job to the team lah, sebab banyak knowledge sharing dia, ada yang free session and posting dia pun bermanfaat lah. For me, oil and gas is not untuk orang yang tertentu saja. For me, kalau dia layak in term of every parameter, then ada rezeki dia, for me, dia layak to be in this industry lah. To the future graduate ataupun orang yang tengah menganggur, keep fighting and keep listening to Oil and Gas Meta lah, because this organisation banyak share latest input. So even latest news pun dia ada share juga, ilmu yang bermanfaat lah. Kalau betul-betul fokus, boleh lah join dia punya kelas, improve your skill. InsyaAllah kalau ada rezeki, you can also be part of the industry lah. Okay, Meta Oil and Gas, mantul.